2014 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, tow hitch, backup camera, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, fog lamps, power door locks, power windows, child safety locks, passenger airbag, MP3 player. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Come take a test drive today.